मुस्कानों से भरे ख्वाहिशें हो पूरे, छूले हम आसमां और झूमे इस तरह, बोलो रे सारे
As you all know, that Akshay Patra is one of the leading organizations and perhaps the biggest organization in India that is feeding the underserved kids, and that too as a part of the midday meal program by the Government of India since 2000. And we have none other than the director of Akshay Patra on the West Coast, Geeta Kulkarni, right here with us in San Ramon, California. Welcome, Geeta, to Yo India TV. It's a pleasure to see you at such a beautiful occasion when RPO has tied hands with Akshay Patra and is helping in the philanthropic efforts. So how's the feel?
Thank you, first of all, to cover us. And it's a wonderful feeling that RPO has come forward to support Akshay Patra, and they are hosting this match, cricket match in aid of Akshay Patra. So right now, as you know, due to COVID, since last year the schools are closed, and we are not only supporting the children but we are also supporting their families. So we have to take care of children as well as their families, and since the schools are closed, we are distributing happiness kits, family happiness kits. It's the dry grocery ration kits, sufficient for a family of 4 for 15 days, and then again this cycle will be repeated.
I also heard that about $40,000 were raised by RPO on the West Coast, and you have doubled it to 80K.
Yes.
So tell us a little more about what the deal is.
We have few donors who come up with matching campaigns. So we have our interim CEO Rajiv Jain, who started this matching funds. Rajiv and Hema Jain, they have a matching campaign of $100,000. So RPO donated $40,000, and he matched the amount with 40,000. Now we are coming up with one more fundraiser for the Western Region Gala. It is known as Partnerships for Hope, and it is on August 28th at 5 p.m. And this has been hosted by 8 chapters in the Western region, including Portland, Seattle, Las Vegas, Bay Area, LA, San Diego, Phoenix, and Denver. So I just welcome each and every one to join us. I invite all of you to join hands with us and partner with us to support the COVID relief efforts in India.
ಸಿಟಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಕಳೆದ 4 ದಿವಸಗಳಿಂದ ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಷಯ ಪಾತ್ರ ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸಿದ ಜನರಿಗಾಗಿ ಫುಡ್ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೋರಿಕೆ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಅವರು ಮೊದಲು ಮಿಲ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಈಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಅನ್ನ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಂಬಾರು ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ 2-3 ಥರ ಫುಡ್ನ ಅವರು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇಂಥ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಉತ್ಸಾಹ ಮೂಡಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇದೊಂಥರ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ ಕಾರ್ಯ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಷಯ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇಸ್ಕಾನ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಸಮರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
Wonderful. You know, there are a lot of campaigns that are going on to help India breathe, because we've heard the situation was really bad, especially with the ongoing waves, and I'm also hearing one more wave is expected in September of 2021, and there has also been a lot of information coming out on the availability of vaccines in India. So there are a lot of causes that need attention, especially during the pandemic time. So tell us a little more about where all is Akshay Patra doing their role.
See, I completely understand that there was shortage of oxygen cylinders and ventilators, but it so happens that a lot of other organizations are also coming forward to support ventilators and oxygen cylinders. But food is the most essential thing what a child and every one of us need.
So your focus continues to be the food for children, right?
Yes, so our focus continues to be on food, as well as we are, as I have mentioned, it is not only related to the school children now, but it is also related to the family members and the migrant workers and daily wage earners. So when COVID hit last year, we started supplying foods to the family also. But if you have seen that lot of parents had lost their jobs, almost 80 to 88% of people lost their jobs, and during COVID 2 few people had again gained their jobs, almost 20%. But again, after second wave, people are in the same situation, that we are losing jobs continuously, and they are in need of food, and they need to support their families as well. So food is the main thing, and the government of India is focusing more on other needs. So that's why this is only done by Akshay Patra. So we are not receiving any support for providing meals to the families from the government. So this is totally Akshay Patra's initiative. From last March 2020, Akshay Patra has supported almost we have served 130 million meals so far.
You're feeding a considerable section of society, and I know the food is very hot and nutritious. It's a balanced diet with milk, grains and vegetables. So tell us a little more about the kitchen operations in the background.
Yeah, so Akshay Patra, as you know, we have scaled up so much. We started in the year 2000 by feeding 1,500 students in 5 schools, and right now we are feeding 1.8 million children across 57 locations in 14 states in India.
And I think the number of schools is also around over 19,000, if I read correctly.
19,257 schools we are serving into, and we use technology extensively, so we can cook for almost from 10,000 students to 240,000 students within no time. We have a huge kitchen in Hyderabad that can cater to around 250,000 students in 6 hours of time. So we have huge cauldrons where we can cook for 100,000 students within 5 hours of time, and we have a roti making machine which makes 60,000 rotis in an hour, and huge cauldrons where we can cook dal or sambar also for 3,000 liters within 20 minutes.
And most of the students are so underprivileged, or I would say so poor, that meal is the only meal they have for the entire day, and sometimes the younger siblings also join them at the school because they also want to be fed. And consider donating, because the cost is not really too much. For just $20 you can feed a child for the entire year. Anything you would like to add on that?
Yeah, it is very important that we should take care of the children, and Akshay Patra is a strategic intervention to motivate children to come to school and enhance their educational performance as well as their health. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support, and we look forward for your support now and forever. So with your help, we will be able to eradicate hunger in India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Geeta, for your time and for the wonderful initiative that Akshay Patra is doing, and for your personal efforts to this wonderful organization as well. All the very best from Yo India TV.
Thank you.